Time takes a toll on everyone, they say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for us to change. Time, I am stressing out, I can't figure out what to say. Oh, time, just give us time. Time, looking back on pictures, and I find it hard to see you and myself in places where we used to be. Oh, time, we got older, babe, and I wanna stay with you. Don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise we'll never change. Are you gonna love me? Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, babe? Promise me we'll never fall. Time took a toll on us, I'll say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for you. Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on my back, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, nigga catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey.
takes a toll on everyone, they say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for us to change. Time, I am stressing out, I can't figure out what to say. Oh, time, just give us time. Time, looking back on pictures, and I find it hard to see you and myself in places where we used to be. Oh, time, we got older, babe, and I wanna stay with you. Don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise we'll never change. Are you gonna love me? Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, babe? Promise me we'll never fall. Time took a toll on us, I'll say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for you to change. Oh, time, we got older, babe, yeah. But I wanna stay with you, and don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you...
Color, Essie. Essie, color.
Spaghetti, onions, melon.
Yeah, palamus. Yes.
Is that on the list? Pepper, you put the chocolate cake in the trolley. George.
with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise we'll never change.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your very first time here, my name is Yolani Mpehlo, but I go by the name of Queen Yolani on all my socials. If you haven't done so already, please click that subscribe button so you can join the Lani squad. Anyways, happy Sunday. Hey, welcome back to my channel, my Lani squad. What it do, baby? Anyways, yeah, I just decided, you know what, let me come in and say hi because I've been vlogging. It's something I can see that I'm picking up. I start vlogging and then I don't say nothing, and then now I feel bad, and then I'm like, okay, let me come in and say hi. But then I feel awkward when I come in and say hi because I don't know what to say. So what do I want to say? Anyways, hi, welcome to my Sunday vlog. This is a spend a day with me, spend the Sunday with me. I've been taking you guys through what I've been up to in the morning until now. It is exactly 3 o'clock right now. I'm about to serve food. I've been cooking with my niece over there. Yep, we've been cooking something. You know how it is. I'm with her and my daughter today. Yeah, so we're trying to be all smoochy and cute and whatever. So yeah, she's cooking her own thing. I'm about to serve food. I'm like, let me come in and say welcome to another vlog. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna keep vlogging, but for sure I'm not gonna say anything further. But yeah, why am I saying but? Yeah, I'm not gonna say anything further. Maybe I'm just gonna come in and close the vlog when it's done. Anyways, yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please do it already. Subscribe, honey, subscribe now. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later. Let me go serve. soul food. Anyways, peace guys. Hey Malani Squad, I just wanted to come in and end the vlog because I didn't end it yesterday. I went straight to bed. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and join the Lani family. And also tell your friends to tell their friends to subscribe, honey, so we can grow this channel. Anyways, happy Monday. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I will post this video today, obviously, and I will catch you guys on my next video. But for now, peace and love. Bye.